Maps. We're going to make a quick video today. We've got a job out in East London. Basically what the problem is we have a BMW 3 Series. It's a 2014 I believe. It's a 3 Series GT. Now customer has called us. They've told us that their head unit is having issues. Now they said to me it keeps restarting by itself. This is a common issue I've come across with these BMW head units, and a lot of the time BMW will push you towards options that don't make sense or keep your car for an unnecessary amount of time to fix this issue. So we are going to go out, have a look at the problem. We're going to diagnose it. We're going to make a plan of action, and then we're going to rectify the issue. I'll keep you posted with the results, and yeah, we're going to go from there. Also, if you like our content so far, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to us. Even if you want to push that notification button, that's also much appreciated. All right, so we're inside the vehicle now. If you keep an eye on the display here, it will randomly turn off and back on by itself. Diagnostics wise, I haven't found any fault codes, any issues. It looks like a software issue, but if you keep paying attention to the screen here, just to let you know, nothing's being pressed. It's just automatically going to turn off by itself. There you go. So then it turns off and it restarts by itself. Now this is a common issue I've come across when it comes to these head units. Most of the time it's a software issue. Now what we're going to be doing is plugging in our main dealer level tool. We're going to be flashing this actual module itself to go to a later software version, and after flashing it we code it in, and yeah, go from there. So we're just loading up our ISTA. We're identifying the vehicle. We're going to run further checks before flashing the software, and we're going to go from there. Now for this particular update, we have our ICOM plugged in, and at the same time we have our battery pack which maintains the voltage. Now this is maintaining a voltage of 14.5. as you can see here, it's maintained, and yeah, we're going to go from there. Okay, what's happening now is we are going through all the required module updates before we can reflash the head unit itself. So sometimes before you want to reflash the actual head unit or particular module, what you're going to have to do is reflash quite a few other modules because it's a requirement, and then once that's done we'll keep you updated. So as you can see, the actual whole head unit is getting a flash. Now this indicates that the software is being updated currently, and what we're going to do is after the software update is complete, we're going to test out to see if the same issue is happening. Most likely it won't happen, but we're still going to test it, and yeah, we'll keep you updated. Okay, so 1.5 hours later we are up and running. So I've monitored the screen for about a good 5 minutes, whereas before every 30 seconds to 1 minute it was restarting, having constant issues, turning off, turning back on. We now have a working head unit. Now the software is of course what caused this issue. Now the reason behind that could be a corrupted software file, could be a bug in the previous software version, but using our dealer level tools we rectified the issue and got the head unit working, which was our customer's request. At the same time they benefited from a bunch of updates to other modules, so that's a bonus for the customer because we didn't charge them any extra for that. But yeah, the job's done, and if you have any similar issues or are facing similar problems, get in touch with us. We can give you some advice. We can even sort the issue out for you. Okay, so as you saw, it was a simple fix, but it took a while to get there. So what happened in conclusion was we went out to the vehicle. We saw that the head unit kept restarting about every 30 seconds to a minute. It didn't even allow the actual owner of the vehicle to try the USB software update to try and rectify the issue because it kept shutting off. So we plugged in our dealer level tool, we reflashed, programmed and encoded the module, to do with the head unit, but a prerequisite to doing that was updating a few other modules, which we also done for the customer. Now, you have to make sure, like I showed you earlier, that there's always a battery support unit attached. The battery support unit maintains the voltage, it doesn't fluctuate, it keeps it at a steady level, whichever level I actually want it to be, which is how it should be. If you have a similar issue to what you saw today in the video, please get in touch. Even though we're based in London, we can provide remote assistance, or we can come out to you if you're local enough, or you can come to us. We're happy to give advice on how to rectify the issue if you reach out to us. If you have a similar issue, just get in touch or comment down below and we can help you out. Yeah, so see you next time.